So we are testing today the Hybrid Pro Precision Platelet compound. It's supposed to be compared with the Meguiar's Ultimate compound. Well, this is some new tech from Turtle. So first test will be on removing swirl. As you see, this car is heavily swirls. If you see the light reflection, there is so much swirl. So we will do this part and compare it with this part. The second test will be on color restoration. So let us first see how well does it remove the swirl. So we'll keep just a little bit, and then we will use the Lake County finishing pad or medium cut pad, and let us see the result. So distributing the compound, I'll close the camera and come back later once I finish polishing, as I can't do both at the same time. So I remove the product now, of course, using microfiber towel. Also I'm using a not cutting pad, a soft pad, but however the result is obvious. As you see, so much swirls here, less swirls here. If we remove this, we can see the difference. The car is darker as well. So if you are, let us try using the blue pad, the more cutting pad, and let's see how it's, and let's see the result. Let us give it one more shot with a more aggressive pad. So I'll be using now the blue Lake County pad. It's supposed to be more aggressive than the orange one, and we'll see the result again. What I like about this compound, it really sticks to the pad, even though this is a little bit wet pad, but however the compound really sticks in. Anyways, let's come back later. Okay, so this is the result. This is the place where we applied the product. This is the place where there is no product. So as you see, the difference is obvious. Let me open the flash. As you see, there is a swirls, but however there is more swirls here. Okay. So I'm using here Lake County soft pad. It's hard to polish while holding the camera, but however I leave the camera and focus on polishing now, and let us see the results of the product. So I polished the fender with the Turtle Hybrid polish, sealed it with the V80. We'll keep it for 15 minutes, and then we will compare the fender and this part of the hood or bonnet with the other part of the car when there is sun, to see how good is this thing. So let's keep it here till it's secure, and then we will remove the wax and we will see how both combination did. So this is the panel with the Turtle polish, the door without. So if you look closer, the fender is more darker than the rear door, as there is a slight haziness in the rear door. So I'm not sure if you can notice this through the video, but however I can notice it through real life here. But it's not much, to be honest. I still prefer the Meguiar's Ultimate compound for color restoration. However, summary wise, the product is very home users friendly. You can apply it with any pad, removing it easy. It will help remove the swirls at the same time, restore your color, but it's not like using heavy compounds and 3-step polishings and then waxing. So Anyways, this is the conclusion of the video. Yes, it will save your time. You can use it one time to remove the swears, restore your car a little bit, and then you can wax on it using the V80 or any other waxing product. So this is the conclusion.